Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Let's talk about the Roth IRA, a super smart way to save for retirement. The big benefit here is that your money grows completely tax-free, and when you take it out in retirement, those withdrawals are also tax-free. This means all that growth, every penny, is yours to keep, without worrying about future tax bills. It's a really strong advantage for your financial future. So how does it work? With a Roth IRA, you contribute money that you've already paid taxes on. This means you don't get an immediate tax deduction when you put money in, like you might with some other accounts. But that's the key trade-off, because in exchange, all of your qualified withdrawals later on, when you're retired, are completely tax-free. It's a long-term investment in your future tax savings. Not everyone can contribute directly to a Roth IRA because there are income limitations based on your modified adjusted gross income. Also, there's a cap on how much you can contribute each year. For instance, in 2024, it's $7,000, or $8,000 for those age 50 or older. Plus, you need to have earned income, like from a job, to be eligible to put money into one. Always check the current limits to make sure you qualify. Why choose a Roth? Well, it's particularly smart if you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket when you retire than you are right now. Plus, Roth IRAs offer fantastic flexibility. You can actually withdraw your original contributions at any time, tax-free and penalty-free, if you need to. And a huge benefit for some, there are no required minimum distributions for the original owner, providing great control over your money. Opening a Roth IRA is quite simple. You can do it through most major online brokerage firms or investment companies. The steps are typically just filling out an application, providing some personal details, and then linking a bank account to fund it. Once your account is set up and funded, you can start investing that money in things like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, letting your savings really begin to grow for your future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.